Hello, my friends. I'm showing you the finished painting here of the video you're about to watch. It's not the best thing I've ever done. It's not the worst, certainly. Something about it does appeal to me. But I want to show it anyway, what I went through as a lesson in stick-to-itiveness. I need to add some black along here, I see. Anyway, it's something about all these tiny little cells really appeal to me. And I think I can do something with this. I have ideas for embellishing it when it's dry. And if I do that, I will certainly show you. But the making of it, I'm going to speed up 2 or 3 times normal speed. And I'll add text to tell you what I did, what my thinking was, because my narration was really bad. And when you see the following intro, you'll understand why. So, for what it's worth, thank you for joining me today. Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour with the leftovers from the Dutch pour I did the other day. But first, I have a couple of embellishments to share with you. This one I'm calling Into Eternity, and I painted it kind of for myself in remembrance of a young man who took his own life not long ago, and it just breaks my heart for his mother and those left behind. And I just urge you, if you or anyone you know is ever feeling so desperate, please seek help, because the pain is just immeasurable. Anyway, I didn't even know him well, but I did know his mother. I do know his mother and siblings, and my heart just breaks for them. So, let's move on to something more pleasant. About 2.5 years ago, I poured this tree trunk and with, I think, ready mix paints. It's been so long I can't even remember. But anyway, if you're interested, you can watch that video. I'll link it. I think I poured the background green. Well, I did. Here's what it looked like. Green background, and then I poured the tree. And then I added little drops of silicone to make these knots. Then I took a palette knife, I think, or a skewer, and ran it up and down to give it grain. Anyway, I was intending to either paint a raccoon maybe, or a koala wrapped around it, but I never got around to it until recently. I found this wonderful photo reference, and I thought, I'll do another giraffe, even though they are a real challenge to paint with their spots and everything about them. It's challenging, but I'm pretty pleased with the results. So anyway, I will be painting the edges, probably a dark brown to cover up what was there. So that's that. Now, today I'm pouring over this canvas. I did this a long time ago, and it was just a mess that I just kept working on, and finally I just blew it all out. And for a while I thought maybe I could embellish it in some way, but nothing has ever come to me, so I'm willing to pour over it. I don't mind pouring over old canvases when I'm just using leftovers or experimenting, because a lot of times what you pour over will interact with what was underneath. I find if you don't use the same pouring medium or paints, then oftentimes it will crack when it's drying. So I don't even remember what this was. I think it might have been ready mixed, and these are not, so I'm probably not going to have a good dried result, but who knows, maybe.